7 must-have tools for every workshop. Speed reviewed in 5 minutes and 7 seconds. This bit can do. And yep, there you go. Just like that, you're a woodsmith. If you're into wood carving, big bits remove an awful lot, but these fine detail bits are worth their weight in gold. It's what really takes it to the next level. And it cuts down on your sanding time too, because it's just so much finer than those more aggressive burr style bits, which I do recommend also. I use them a lot. Let's talk sanding blocks. It's kind of basic. One of these sanding blocks right here is so handy. You just stick your sandpaper on it, gives you uniform pressure. If you're using your hands, you're putting more pressure where your fingers are, and you're making a little bit of an indentation when you're sanding. Anything you can do to help eliminate that is perfect. This Jorgensen chamfering plane is one of the handiest tools I have around. When I'm working on any type of planter box or raised garden bed, it works good on cedar. Just don't take too deep of a bite. Ease into it. Just make sure you got it kind of clear. Cleans up that edge. I'm gonna take a little more. This is straight out of the box. I got this last summer. That one. But you can see it just cleans it up a little bit without pulling out a router. This is a piece of mahogany. I'm holding this up for filming purposes. It would be a little easier if I was doing this on a work surface, but give it a few passes. Fancies it up a little bit. It's aluminum. It's got a compartment where you can store other bits in it. It's poor man's router for chamfering corners. And this is really an invaluable tool. It's just ease. It's quick. You can spend an arm and a leg on saw blades. This is a good, functional, multi-purpose saw blade. I like the 40 tooth, and I don't see how you can go wrong with them. I've used a lot of different blades, and I just kept coming back to this. It's good enough for me. It's got a non-stick coating on it, and it's got these little etched in areas that provide some type of relief. Exactly, I don't know the science behind it, but I like the way it cuts, and I think you will too. I have had several respirators, and this one is about 3 years old, and this rubber stays just like the day it came out of the box when I bought it. I've never had a respirator that didn't get hard. Like I said, I've had this for 3 years, and it's easily to change out the filters. You just pull it open. Pop one out, replacement, pop it in. Got these little twist knobs on the inside. That's all there is to it. Turn them and burn them. Great respirator. I'll put an Amazon link in the description, and the channel will receive a commission if you should happen to make a purchase. Thank you.